Political,
Politika talaga yan.
politically motivated precisely because she is eyeing and she is running for
She is the leading
2028.
contender for the 2028 elections.
But is she running?
She is. Hindi ba
So now,
sinabi niya na?
talagang tatakbo na siya
Oh,
talaga.
eh,
no?
kung-
Kasi before that, before may
Kung
apprehension pa
naniwala
siya,
sila sa akin na nung tumakbo sila mag-ama, yung Duterte, sana hindi nangyari lahat. Oh, pero ganyan talaga. Kailangan mangyari.
Naniniwala naman ako dyan. So kasi itong, I read just of late, merong call now to hold the impeachment even while the session is in session. Because precisely nga, because forthwith daw very precise daw ang Constitution to say that forthwith, it has to be without delay. So, regardless whether it's in the Senate is in
Session
recess
or not.
or not. So now that there's a call now to have it to start already.
Hindi lang ako, they filed a petition in court.
Yes,
Directing,
directing the Senate
to proceed, di ba?
to proceed.
Sa akin, malabo yun. Malabo yun kasi unang-una, yung Senado, nung tinanggap nila yung articles of impeachment, few hours before adjournment, hindi mo naman basta makukonvene nang wala ka mga rules and regulations. Kailangan pagandaan mo rin yun. So hindi mo sila masisisi. Kaya they can use that argument. But actually, between us and between our viewers, ang katotohanan kaya nadidelay yan, dinelay talaga nila yan. Because takot sila. Nayanig ang administrasyon, pati na ang mga nasa kapangyarihan, ang magiging reaksyon ng taong bayan kung itutuloy nila impeachment. Naaalala nila yung 1.8 million na pumunta sa Luneta. Naalala nila yung 1 million pumunta sa Bacolod, Davao, Iloilo, Pagadian. Against impeachment. Kaya talagang sinadya nila yan. Kung ano-ano na lang mga excuse, pero in the long run, yun talaga ang dahilan.
Yun talaga ang dahilan.
Takot sila.